Hello, in this video I'm going to show you a pretty good engulfing strategy, and it works on forex, stocks, crypto, doesn't matter, and it works on all time frame. Okay, so first you need 200 EMA, and then you need chaikin money flow. Chaikin money flow, okay, it's this one. So I use the default settings. Okay, default settings, only change the color, and then for engulfing you pick this one. Okay, it's this one and this one. Okay, this is for sell, bearish, and this is for buy. Okay, make sure you don't pick other engulfing indicator because they might have different interpretation of what an engulfing is. Okay, so for buy, you want the price to be above the 200 EMA, and you want the chaikin money flow below zero when we have this engulfing signal. Okay, so the stop loss is previous swing high, swing low. Okay, so let's say it's here. So you can target 1 to 2, or you can also use the last support and resistance as your TP. Okay, so let's say it's here. So our target is here. So you have a bigger risk reward. Okay, so you can do that as well. And here we have another signal. Okay, chaikin is below zero, and price is above the 200 EMA. So we can buy here. So stop loss is here maybe. So you can target 1 to 2, or you can target last support and resistance. Okay, so you can target here. Okay, so we have 2.67, and then we have okay, so this is the reason why we don't enter when chaikin money flow is above zero, because you get signals at the top. Okay, so we don't want that. So we want the signal to be near the 200 EMA. So that's what the chaikin is for. So here we have another signal if you missed it. Okay, stop loss is right there, so you can target 1 to 2 or last swing high, last support and resistance. Okay, so here we have another signal. So obviously this is all cherry pick examples. Okay, your stop loss is kind of subjective, so you can target 1 to 2 or here. Okay, you have a signal here and here. All right, so it's below zero line. So your stop loss is let's say it's here. So you can target this. All right. Okay, so for sell, it's the opposite. The price has to be below 200 EMA. And then if you see this, chaikin money flow is below zero, so we don't want that. So we want the chaikin money flow to be above the zero line when we have this engulfing signal. Okay, so bearish engulfing. So your stop loss is maybe right there. So you can target 1 to 2 or whatever, or you can use support and resistance. Okay, so you can target here. So if you are using support and resistance as your take profit, make sure it's at least 1 to 2. Okay, for me personally, that's how I do it. Okay, so here no, okay, it's here. Okay, below 200 EMA, bearish engulfing, and chaikin is above the zero line. So we can take this. Okay, you can target 1 to 2. All right. Then here we have another signal. Okay, chaikin is still above the zero line, so it's a good place to sell. We are not late. Okay, so you can target 1 to 2. All right. If you liked the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Okay.